Hi all, we will talk about the Chalcolithic age today. Now, if you look at the Chalcolithic culture, it's made up of two words Chalco and Lithic, which would mean copper and stone. These are predominantly the pre-Harappan phase, and they were predominantly rural communities. They were the first to use painted pottery, and they generally use the black, red ware pottery, and white linear designs were there over them, and they were made in different shapes. Now, these were the people who did not know the use of burnt bricks. They lived in thatched houses, and coming to the food habits, they produced wheat, rice, bajra, pulses. They practiced jhum cultivation. Plough was never used, and there was high amount of malnourishment, and due to which there was high increased infant mortality rate was there. Now, coming to the clothing, spinning and weaving, these were the two things they were aware of. The evidence for which was found in Malwa, where spinning wool was identified. They also produced cotton, flax seeds, and silk thread, which was identified in Maharashtra. So we now know that they had experience with cloth manufacturing as well. Now, coming to the animals, they domesticated animals definitely, but mainly for food and not for milk. They did not have any use for dairy products. And very clearly, they did not know about the existence of horse. They never domesticated horse. Coming to the arts, they made various kinds of beads made of carnelian, steatite, and quartz. And there is evidence of terracotta figurines, wherein we found evidence of Mother Goddess. Bull was considered as a religious cult, and there is evidence of social inequalities in them. And coming to their burial practices, they buried their dead in the urns under the floor of their houses. There was no separate cemetery, and they kept objects along with them so that they can use it in their next world. They buried them in the north to south direction. This is grossly about the Chalcolithic culture. Thank you.